how to cancel Whoop membership. So there are two types of Whoop membership. First would be the non-activated membership and the active membership. So if you have a non-activated membership and you want to cancel it, what you can do is, if the device has been shipped, if the device has not shipped and you wish to cancel, you must wait until the device has been delivered. If the device has already been shipped, cancellation is no longer an option. Members must wait until the device is delivered to initiate a return. And once the device is delivered, non-activated members have 30 days to cancel their WOP membership and receive a return label from the order status page. The account would be auto-activated after 30 days from purchase. If the account is auto-activated and you would like to cancel your membership, go ahead and proceed with how you can cancel with an active membership. So visit the membership section at app.whoop.com, click on cancel your membership at the bottom of the page, and then select the applicable option based on your membership status. If you have within 30 days of receipt, visit the app.whoop.com website, navigate to the membership section, and then select cancel, and then confirm the cancellation and continue with the return process. So if you're outside the 30-day return window, cancellation depends on your membership type. So visit the app.whoop.com and then select the cancellation option that applies to your membership. So first would be paid upfront. Schedule your membership to cancel at the end of your commitment period. Paying monthly and within 12-month commitment, pay the remaining months in full or schedule. Cancellation at the end of the commitment. And that is how you can basically cancel your WOP membership.